Okay, now we are going to go to this drawer. Hopefully where this drawer is, it's the movie still looks decent, because from up to this drawer I had the setting on the camera on super high quality and I ran out of memory. So whatever, it doesn't matter, I guess. Okay, this drawer, I do not know what's in this drawer. I do know there's some cutting tools in this drawer, but I do not. But that's all I do know, that what's in this drawer. I do not know what's in this drawer, and I do not know what's in this drawer. I've never opened them. So let's go. And there's not much in here, it looks like. So we've got more cutters. More cutters, big ones, bigger ones. Can you see them? Lots of them. Big ones. So, geez, I don't even think these will fit in this thing. See, how does that go? How would that go? Here we go, like that. So, you know, because I don't know. This guy might have had another big lathe. Might have had a big lathe, right? And these are pretty big. Pretty big. So those are all cutters of miscellaneous. I don't know. You know, it's the shapes and stuff that I don't know what they do. You know, the only one I know is pretty much is a cutoff one. Like, here's a small one. But okay, that's what's in that box. Plus, oh, let's see, that's in there. What are these? 9/16. More coloring. Half, let's see, Latrobe steel, half, double 6. I don't know what that means. Now we have one. See, look at that weird looking thing. Okay, now we got some wrenches. I got a wrench like that, broken on one end, cool. Or Now I've got two of them. What's in here? Oh, it looks like some type of grease or something. Wax. Number 140 stick wax. I don't know what to use this for. It says for metalworking, pipe threading, spinning, drilling, tapping, sanding. Okay. I guess I know tapping. I know that part anyway. What's this? For button oilers. Ream, 0.188. Look at, that's cool. Look at a bunch of oilers. Lots of them. Decent. Lots and lots of them. That's so cool. Some of these kind of things, oilers. The ball bearing in it. Wow. Neat. Hoping I don't have to replace any. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna hang on a second. I'm gonna quit the video for a minute and check something. Okay. Okay, I just wanted to make sure I had my settings stayed that I had them at. So I know you're seeing this, but we'll get to that. Don't know what this is. If I were to guess, it would be not a knurling tool, but like a knurling tool that would make, slots instead of diamonds. I'm guessing that's it. What that would, I don't know. I'm guessing that's what that could be. I don't know. If one of you all know, let me know. Here's another wheel. Doesn't say anything either. That's this wheel. This is different. Some bent gib. No. I don't know what that is. It's bent though. It's ruined. I don't know why you would say that. What else? Some screws. Looks like a toggle. Huh. This looks like I wonder you all hang on a minute. So We're pausing while this car alarm goes off. I'm gonna look at something. This looks like some type of handle, but it definitely would not go to this. However, find this. Where'd that son of a bitch go? Oh, what I thought this was, is I thought it went on the mill on that one part, that one piece. But apparently it does not, because I don't know, but I bet you I could make that work. Yep, I bet I could. When I get better at doing this type of stuff. What's in here? Bearings? Yep, some bearings in there. For what, I don't know. But they are bearings. I don't know what they're for. But I'm curious, if any of you have an idea what this is, let me know, because I'm thinking it is a thing to make, like a knurling thing, but it just makes the straight. I don't know what else it could be. And if it is, that's cool, because I was hoping that there would be a knurling tool. Okay, well, let's get this over and done with. What's this? Oh yeah, so the box is a live center ball bearing too. So, yep, it sure is. Looks brand new too. Made by Skoll, not the chewing. Oops, this goes on top of it. Okay, that's nice to have. That's good. Okay, what's in this? I do not know what this is. It's got an Allen key in it. Is this a boring bar? That you can put it. I don't know. If you know what this is, let me know. Because I don't know what it is. There's two of them in here. There's the Allen thing. But if I were to guess, that's what I would guess that is. That's what I would guess that is they're boring bars. If they are, that's cool. But I do not know what they are. That's just what they seem like to me. What's in here? Same thing. These must be boring bars. Because they got really sharp point. Every single one of them got a sharp point right there. And that's cool. I was hoping there was gonna be boring bars in here. Ah, I just broke the case. Damn it. Idiot. I was hoping there was going to be boring bars in here, but I kind of figured there'd probably be at least one, but I'm seeing much more than that. Like, I'm seeing a bunch of them. There's 3 more. That's so cool. It's great. I'm happy about that. High-speed bits. That's what it says. Holy, they're tiny. I don't know what they're for, unless they're for these things here, because they're in the same thing. Not much in this drawer. I don't know. I'm a little disappointed in that, actually. I'm a little disappointed because I thought there would be more in here, in this drawer. So, but it is what it is. Right? Next drawer. Oh, yeah. That's cool. Yeah. Lots of them. Lots of them. Lots of different sizes. That's decent. That's cool. I got some in my machinist toolbox too. There's a little wrench too in these. Not sure what that is. Armstrong. You gotta say 5/16. I don't know. That's cool. That's pretty cool. Little notepad. Stare it. Our best price, $1. Kind of stone. More stones. Half cent. Half center. Is that what that means? Can't get it. There we go. Okay. Hammer. seem like it is. It fits, but I don't think that's what it is. I don't think it's for that chuck. I don't know what that is. Here is a bunch of paperwork. Another, I think, stone. Conversion chart. Metal. That's cool. I don't know if you guys are interested in the paperwork. I always think the paperwork's pretty cool. It tells you, because I'm not smart, it tells you drill bit size, the decibel equivalent, and to tap for this size bolt or screw. So this size wood screw pilot in hardwood. So this will be handy for me because I always drill the hole too big for the tap I want to do, and that never works out because I don't know. I'm rarely ever have done that. So another chart exported by China National. No good. Here's some of his notes. Who knows what he was making? You know, it's cool and all that, but it's cool to see stuff like that, but I don't know what it is. You know, so he's got threading charts in here and stuff, and I have not come across what am I trying to think? I have not come across. I'll think of it. But threading chart, 6-inch Atlas lathe and Craftsman 6-inch. Note: use 0 or any one position only on threading dial for odd number thread. I think what they're talking about on this is, I'm gonna mess up my whole camera situation. I think what they're talking about is, you can't see it. Move that. Can't see it now. I'm gonna zoom in on it. That right there. Okay, let me zoom in on it. Let's see if you can see it. Oops, I went in too fast. Yeah, I think you can see it. But there. Can you see that? Right there, there's a 0 right there. I think you can see it. I think that's what they're talking about. No, use 0 or any one position only on threading dial or odd number threads. So I think they mean like the 0 or this mark or this mark or this mark. I think. And then lowest possible feed setup. So they have the setup here. For the feed rate. These are the gears. Cool. Put this up here. What is possibly in these envelopes? Oh, lubrication chart. Well, this will come in handy, although I do have an atlas. You know what? I'm going to go get that right now because it actually came with this too. Yes. Careful, aluminum chart. Oh. Decent. Speed chart. He must have ordered this stuff. Yes, the Atlas number is 618. Atlas 618 lathe is the same as this Craftsman 101-07301 or whatever I said the number was. So let's look at this, shall we? Comes with a pulley chart for different speeds. You know, you just guess you'd have to hope that these pulleys match those pulleys over there. They don't tell you how big the pulleys are. But lubrication chart for the lathe, which I told you I did all that already. 6-inch back geared screw cutting lathe. So, properly level the lathe bed. Do it right, keep it right. Properly leveled lathe is the first essential for accurate work and long service life. And I did not go into that. I know I said it on the mill. This thing I have leveled really good. Really good. I spent like almost all day on it with that machinist level. So, in case you were wondering, oh, did you level the lathe? Yes, I did. I spent all day on it. And then you know, and on the mill I spent a good part of the day on leveling that too. So I, you know, I didn't just put them in here. Right? So I didn't. Okay, let me get this. Right, because he had this bolted down already. It's all bolted down. I shimmed the whole toolbox, is what I did. You know, otherwise I could have just, you know, set the toolbox in here and then unbolted them and then put shims under here and leveled it, but I think it's going to be fine. If the level says it's level, it's level. So this is quite interesting though. I know you're probably thinking it's boring, but you know, exploded view of this whole carriage assembly. Oh, there's a There's that tool post. Doesn't say Atlas on that tool post though, but it should. But it doesn't. Yeah. Here's the change gear assembly that I was telling you. I hope that's in there. It is. And threading chart. 1976. That's very cool stuff, I'm sure. Oh, I got, anyway, got some, hey, this looks like a boring, I can't think. Alright, not much in that drawer. I'm happy about these, so I'm happy about those. Okay, now I guess. Oops. This was also in there. Put that back. Go here. This, I know there's some cutting, some more cutters in there, tooling, but I don't know what else is in here. So, like, a whole set. If I can figure out how to open it. There we go. Alright. Boring bar. Some, I don't know, what the heck. What the heck? I don't know what that is. But okay. Another one. These are the ones I'm used to seeing. Man, that's small. Holy. I think this is a cutoff. I'm pretty sure that's a cutoff. Two in one. It looks like a cutoff also. I'm not sure. Maybe two cutoffs? Anyway, you get the idea. A set of those. Okay. Decent. We got another set. Take these off so you can see them. I'm left-handed, so beg my pardon. else do we got in here? A bunch of these packages, empty. Some of them are empty. That's got some. Oh! Got another one. Well, let's take a look at this. What's in here? Some more. I don't know if these are blanks. Do you know if these are blanks? I mean, they do have angles on them, but I think they're blanks. Make your own. Something I am not prepared to do yet. Let's see what's in here. Some long drill bits. That's cool. I think. That's cool. I think this is another drill bit. Yep, another drill bit. Nothing. Nothing, nothing. Couple more 5/16. I think these are blanks. This, I know that's a boring bar. That has got to be. That goes, let's see. I'm pretty sure that is. Oh, we'll get to that later. Brush, little brush. Piece of wood. I think this might have been like a practice piece or something to make. I don't know what this is. Old brush. Oh, here's another. Well, this shouldn't be in here unless he used this a lot. I don't know. I would think you'd put the stuff he used a lot in the top drawer, except for like heavy stuff. So here's another one of those. Man, there's just stuff. I know it happened because when he delivered this, he put it on the forklift, everything shifted and stuff, so that's why it's a mess. KBC tools. Vargas tools. I don't know what's in here. Should we look? I'm sure it's been opened. Just glued itself back together. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I know what these are. Deburring things. I don't know where the handle is though. stuff around. Sure, that might have been a practice piece. Made it out of wood. I'm not sure what these rusty old things are. What they remind me of is like your wiper blades. You know those two metal pieces in your wiper blades? That's what they look like. Toothbrush. Yeah, that's what that's for. Oh, wait. Man, dudes. More. More and more of these. I mean, I don't think I'm ever going to have to buy cutting things, cutters again, ever. Well, this is made in China, so, I don't know. These are all China ones. Not that one, that's USA. It's a good one. That's USA too. But anyway, as I was saying, I don't think I'm ever going to have to buy these, ever. I really don't. I don't know what this is. Here. I keep finding them. Different sizes. Another cutter. All ready to go. I don't know what this is. It kind of looks like a center thing, but just beat this garbage. I don't know if it's any good. Yeah, it's a big one. Okay. I just keep running into these things. They're all over in here. Alright, got these, some more of those in here. Okay, well, not that, but right, some more of those. I'm going to have to put those in the spot. That's a broken tap, I think. Oop. Let me put these. I'm going to put these right down here in this thing. I don't know where they are. Okay. Don't know what the wood sticks are for. I may not keep those. Any idea? More stuff. More of those. You know, I was kind of hoping to find a pitch gauge, and I haven't yet. Right, since he had all these threading charts and stuff. Kind of hoping about that. I haven't seen one yet. I don't know what he would use that for, what they'd use that for. I don't know what that is. Or that. I wouldn't think they're gauge box. But who knows. Okay, let's see what's in here. Let's see. Oh, broken. No good. But that one's not broken. Okay. Doesn't say anything. I'm guessing a project he was gonna work on or something. I don't know. Don't know what that is. Okay. Well, let's see what's in here, because this is kind of heavy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Brand new. Brand new. I don't even know, would that even fit in this thing? Oh, I guess it will. In there. In the headstock it will. Yeah. Brand new. Yeah. Yeah. Decent. Love that kind. I bet you that drill bit cost quite a bit of money. Some collets, a couple collet, a collet. I'm not. Is this a, boy, I don't know. An adapter? A number 2 Morris adapter to go to a smaller Morris, like a number 1? Right? You know what I mean? You know? Like, you know what I mean? I don't know. Let me know if I'm correct on that. Is this like an adapter from a Morse 2 to a 1? Oh yeah, we went through that already. I think that's I don't want to say that's a boring thing too, but it's backwards and it wouldn't look like that. Maybe it's just a cutter. Ah man, I don't know. is another thing that's going to go in that other drawer down there. Right? Probably brand new. Number 3. It says that's going down in the second drawer. Oh, some taps. And I don't know what the heck that is. What the heck? There. A couple taps. Small, tiny taps. I don't know if you can see them or not. I'll pull one out. There we go. Ding, 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 ding. 2 of those.